Good morning again. Had to take care of Sammy. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to do some meal prep this morning, which is breakfast. I'm going to cook up a bunch of this sausage and also the muffins, add some cheese, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer. So for a travel day or something like that need a fast breakfast. And then when I have a microwave, I'll be able to heat them up in the microwave. I'm going to toast the muffins first. You know what I want to know? Why do they not go ahead and pre-cut English muffins? Does anybody know why? And I want to know, does anybody eat them whole without slicing them in half? I don't get it. You got to get the knife out. You got to cut them. Why don't they just do that at the factory? And then we wouldn't have to. Oh, it'd cost another $1? That's probably right. Warming up the muffins. Alright, got all my muffins done and the cheese on there. This one's going to be mine for this morning. I got some pepper jack and American. Got the sausage cooking. That's my breakfast this morning. And I also chopped up some of them for breakfast burritos. Because I had some left over, so. Good stuff. Okay, that is what's going in the freezer. My sausage cheese McMuffins. I have 4 of them. So I'm going to put those in the freezer, and those will be breakfast in the future.